Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. It means the world to me. So I'm going to do plantain balls. I have three good looking plantains with me. I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to boil it. I'm going to mash it. I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to roll them into balls. So let's do this plantain balls. Okay, so my plantains are on and they're boiling. Boil, plantains boil. So when they're done, as I said, I'm gonna mash them, I'm gonna add some spices, and I'm gonna roll them into balls. Mashing the plantain, I'm gonna add some seasonings in there, and you can go ahead add some onion powder or some garlic powder or whatever seasonings that you're comfortable with. You can go ahead and put it in there. I am going to add black sesame seed in there to give it a little kick. And let me go ahead and let me roll those plantain into plantain balls. Okay, so I'm all done with the plantain balls. They look really good. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.